In this video, I'll be showing you how to generate expressive character performances inside Gen 3 Alpha. That's Runway ML Gen 3 Alpha. So for you to be able to do this, you just need to log into your Runway ML account if you already have one, or create one if you don't have one yet. And immediately you come to your home page, that's your dashboard, you are going to see this. And so for you to use this generative performance, expressive character performance inside Gen 3 Alpha, just click on this try it now button and you're brought here. You can either load a video or an image. In my case, I have a video which I want to upload. I'm going to upload it here. And I want to upload this particular one. And it's being processed. It may take a little while. Now that the video is loaded, I can bring this a little bit forward by cropping it, and I can choose landscape or portrait, and I'm going to choose to crop that, and it may take up to 30 seconds to crop that. And then I'm going to name this. I'll just see first expression, expression. I don't know why it does that. First expression. So I've named it, and I'm going to just click on generate. I'll remove this from here. So you can describe what you want it to do. You can see, if you don't know what to describe, how to describe it, you can just come to the guide here. Click on this guide. It's going to direct you to a new page. And you can follow this guide. Now, alternatively, you can just click on some examples and just say 3D cartoon, something like 3D cartoon or 90s cartoon or cinematic, something of that sort. I'll just click on 3D cartoons and it loads this prompt to this prompt area, and then just click on generate. It's in queue and it's going to tell you if you want to have priority, then you should upgrade to a paid plan. But since it's very early in the morning here where I am, it's already generating, and when it's generated, I'm going to show you. Now look at what I have here. It's generated a kind of 3D cartoonish character, and if I play it, you can see this is quite good. This is really good, which means you can use this character for your own cartoon creations and add text to it, or add a voice rather, and you can create your own kids cartoons with all of this. Now you can look in this original video. This woman is not holding anything, but Runway ML detects that probably she needs to hold something. Maybe she's doing a podcast. The microphone there is a bit weird, but it's quite good. I don't know what's that she's holding. It's like the microphone and the actual speaker of the microphone are on two different places. But I think this is quite good. This is really quite good. So this is how you generate expressive characters in Runway ML, and you can download it from here. Click that, and it's downloaded to my computer. And this is actually heavy, 5.66 megabytes. If you got any value out of this video, please subscribe to my channel and turn on the notification bell. God bless you. Peace.